In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks for Canvas to Chrome. If you're looking for a clearer way to track assignments, deadlines, and overall progress in Canvas, this quick setup will help. The Tasks for Canvas extension adds a streamlined to-do list, assignment tracking, progress rings, and deadline organization right inside your learning platform. And if you also use Blackboard or D2L Brightspace, good news, it supports those too. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using an up-to-date version so extensions work smoothly. Next, navigate to the official Chrome Web Store listing for the Tasks for Canvas extension. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the extensions page with the Add to Chrome button. Always check you're on the official listing to avoid lookalikes. On that page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up outlining what the extension needs to run. Go ahead and click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you may see a brief notification confirming the installation. This process is usually fast, and you won't need to restart your browser. Once the extension is installed, open your Canvas dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing into Canvas, where your courses and recent activity appear. After the dashboard loads, refresh the page. A simple refresh ensures the new extension initializes properly on Canvas. When the page comes back, look to the right side of your screen. You should see the Tasks for Canvas sidebar appear there, integrated directly into your dashboard. From here, the extension enhances your workflow by presenting a cleaner to-do list and clearer assignment tracking, so you can quickly see what's due and what's coming up. The progress rings provide an at-a-glance sense of how you're moving through tasks, and the deadline organization helps you prioritize without digging through multiple pages. If the sidebar doesn't appear immediately, refresh once more and confirm you're on the main dashboard rather than a specific course subpage. If you also work in Blackboard or D2L Brightspace, the extension now supports those platforms as well. When you visit their dashboards in Chrome, you'll get the same streamlined sidebar experience. That's it. You've successfully added Tasks for Canvas to Google Chrome, and your dashboard should now be more organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer view of your coursework and deadlines.